Friends, are you tired of just getting by? Do you find yourself constantly worrying about how to make ends meet, feeling the weight of financial stress on your shoulders? It's a common struggle, but it doesn't have to be your reality forever. Do you dream of financial freedom? Imagine living in your dream home, driving the car you've always wanted, or taking that vacation you've been putting off for years. These dreams can become your reality with the right financial strategies. The time to act is now. Every moment you delay is a missed opportunity to improve your financial situation. Time is one of the most valuable assets you have, and using it wisely can make all the difference. Investing is your key to unlocking a brighter future. By putting your money to work, you can create a path to financial independence. It's not just about making money, it's about building a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. It's about taking control of your money and making it work for you. Don't wait another minute. Start learning about different investment options. From stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Your future self will thank you. Imagine looking back a few years from now, proud of the financial decisions you made today. The sense of accomplishment and security you'll feel will be worth every effort you put in now. Many people think investing is only for the wealthy. This is wrong. Investing is for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your existing wealth, there are investment opportunities that fit every budget and risk tolerance. It's about building wealth over time, no matter where you start. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over the years. The power of compound interest means that your money can start to generate more money, creating a snowball effect of growth. You don't need a ton of money to begin. Starting with just a small amount can set you on the right path. The key is to start now and be consistent. Use tools and apps that make investing accessible and easy to manage. Small, consistent investments can lead to big results. Over time, you'll see your efforts pay off as your investments grow. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay informed, and watch your financial destiny unfold. The market is always moving. It's a dynamic entity, constantly shifting and evolving. Every second, prices change, influenced by countless factors from around the globe. This constant motion can be intimidating, especially for new investors. But understanding the nature of the market is the first step in harnessing its potential. Up, down, sideways, it can feel like a roller coaster. The highs can be exhilarating, and the lows can be gut-wrenching. But just like a roller coaster, the market's ups and downs are part of the ride. It's important to remember that volatility is not something to fear, but something to understand and navigate. But here's the secret. Volatility is an opportunity. When the market fluctuates, it creates chances for investors to buy low and sell high. It's during these times of change that savvy investors can make strategic moves. By analyzing trends and staying informed, you can turn market volatility to your advantage. When prices drop, it's like a sale on your favorite stocks. Imagine walking into a store and finding everything you love at a discount. That's what a market dip offers. It's a chance to purchase valuable stocks at lower prices, setting the stage for future gains when the market rebounds. Smart investors buy low and sell high. This age-old adage is the cornerstone of successful investing. By purchasing stocks when they're undervalued and selling them when they've appreciated, you can maximize your returns. It's a strategy that requires patience, discipline, and a keen eye for market trends. This is how you build wealth. Consistent, strategic investing over time can lead to significant financial growth. By taking advantage of market opportunities and making informed decisions, you can steadily increase your wealth. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building a solid financial foundation for the future. Don't be scared of the dips, embrace them. Market downturns are inevitable, but they don't have to be a source of fear. Instead, view them as opportunities to strengthen your portfolio. By staying calm and making calculated decisions, you can turn these dips into stepping stones for future success. These dips are your chance to buy into great companies at a discount. When the market is down, it's a prime time to invest in strong, reliable companies. These are the moments when you can acquire valuable assets at a fraction of their usual cost, positioning yourself for substantial gains when the market recovers. Remember, long-term investing is about riding out the waves. The market will always have its ups and downs, but over time, it tends to trend upwards. By maintaining a long-term perspective and not getting swayed by short-term fluctuations, you can achieve steady growth and build lasting wealth. Stay focused on your goals and don't panic sell. It's easy to get caught up in the market's daily movements, but successful investing requires a clear vision and steadfast commitment to your financial objectives. By avoiding impulsive decisions and sticking to your plan, you can navigate the market's complexities and achieve your investment goals. Why is right now so important? Because time is your greatest asset. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Compounding needs time to work its magic. Don't delay your financial freedom any longer. Imagine two investors. One starts at 25, the other at 35. Both invest the same amount. Guess who comes out ahead? The early bird catches the worm, my friends. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow exponentially over time. Compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. It's a concept that has been praised by financial experts and investors alike for its incredible power to grow wealth over time. But what exactly is compounding, and how can it work for you? It's like a snowball effect for your money. Imagine a small snowball rolling down a hill, gradually picking up more snow and growing larger. Similarly, your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, creating a powerful cycle of growth. This process of earning interest on interest is what makes compounding so effective. Over time, even small amounts of money can grow into substantial sums, thanks to the magic of compounding. It's automatic growth on autopilot. Once you set your investments in motion, compounding works tirelessly in the background, growing your wealth without any additional effort on your part. The longer you invest, the more powerful compounding becomes. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to compounding. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and multiply. Let's say you invest $1,000 and earn 10% interest. In the first year, your investment grows to $1,100, but it doesn't stop there. Next year you have $1,100. Now, you earn interest on this new amount, not just your original investment. This means your interest earnings also start to grow. The following year you earn interest on $1,100, not just the original $1,000. This cycle continues, and with each passing year, your investment grows at an accelerating rate. This is the beauty of compounding. It's free money, folks. By simply allowing your investments to grow over time, you can achieve financial goals that once seemed out of reach. So start investing today and watch your money grow. Section 5. Diving in. Your first investment steps. Ready to jump in? Great. It's easier than you think. First, open a brokerage account. There are many online options that are simple and affordable. Next, decide where to invest. Index funds are a great option for beginners. Index funds are like baskets of stocks. They offer instant diversification, which is key to managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments around. Start small and gradually increase your contributions over time. Section 6. No more excuses, you can do this. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. There are tons of resources available to help you. Websites, books, financial advisors. The information is out there. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's financial journey is different. Focus on your own goals and celebrate your progress. Every step you take towards financial freedom is a victory. Section 7. Building a legacy. Investing in generations to come. Investing isn't just about you, it's about securing a brighter future for your loved ones. Imagine leaving behind a legacy of financial security for your children and grandchildren. That's something to be proud of. Investing can help you achieve your biggest dreams, like buying a home, retiring early, or sending your kids to college. It gives you options and empowers you to live life on your own terms. Section 8. Facing the future, be prepared no matter what. The world is unpredictable. You never know what tomorrow may bring, but with smart investing you can build a financial safety net. This gives you peace of mind and the ability to weather any storm. Life throws curveballs, job loss, medical emergencies, unexpected expenses, these things happen. But with a solid financial foundation, you'll be prepared to handle whatever life throws your way. Don't wait until it's too late. Section 9. Take charge. Invest today for a brighter tomorrow. There you have it, folks. The time to invest is now. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Take charge of your financial future and start building the life you deserve. Remember, the only bad time to invest is never. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. The power is in your hands. Invest today and secure your financial freedom.